Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn checkboxes in Microsoft Excel. These checkboxes are released by Microsoft very recently. This video is packed up with three business scenarios which will blow your mind. Let's dive into the topic without any further delay. To access the checkboxes, go to Insert tab and click on the checkbox under Cell Controls group. When you insert the checkbox, this square box will be added to your cell and you can click that, it will be checked. If you want to uncheck, click one more time, it will be unchecked. And you can keep observe here, it is right now in a false statement. That means this cell is containing false value in the behind the scene. Once you check, it will be updated with the true. You can drag the cell across the cells horizontally. It will be copied over horizontally. Also, you can copy using Ctrl C and paste wherever you want the checkboxes. You can uncheck like this. If I want to remove the checkboxes, you can select the range of cells and hit delete key from your keyboard. This will delete the checkboxes. But when you hover over the mouse onto the cells, still the checkbox is accessible. You can check it and uncheck. If you want to completely get rid of all these checkboxes, you can select the range of cells, go to Home tab, under Editing group, click on this clear icon. You can select clear all. This action will completely clear checkboxes. Pressing Ctrl G. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Alt E A A. This keyboard shortcut also will completely remove the checkboxes from the selected range of cells. I'm going to insert one more time the checkbox. Let me align center horizontally and vertically. I'm going to copy and paste over the range of cells where I need the checkboxes. Here I have employee details and I can track the attendance for the respective dates. I can mark if the employee is present for that day. If I check means that employee is present for the day. If I don't check, that employee is not present for the day. This is how we can check for all the employees. Once we track all the attendance of the employees for the week, we can also get the percentage, number of working days, number of days present, and percentage of attendance. Under number of working days, we can use count A function which counts all the elements from the selected range. That means all the values from that cell, because all the cells contains values whether true or false when you have the checkboxes. Going to drag down. So number of days present equals to count if. Select the range of cells. Here we need to count a true value. That means if the employee is present, we are going to count. In the first row, the employee is present for all the 5 days and dragging down. At the last row, this employee is present only for 4 days. Percentage is calculated number of days present divided by number of working days. This first row of employee is present for all 5 days, so his attendance is 100%. Let me change the format into percentage. So this employee is present for all 5 days means 100%, and whereas the last employee is present only 4 days out of 5 days, so it is updated 80%. So like this, we can track the attendance percentage of each employee like this. Suppose if the manager asks you to prepare the day-wise percentage, then it's not a problem. Come down to the bottom of the cell and here you can write count if. Select the range of cells, what you wanted to count, true, and close bracket divided by count A. which counts all the values whether it is true or false from the selected range. Then close the bracket, hit enter. This will give the percentage of for that specific day. Drag across the days and change the format into percentage. This will give the percentage of for each day. At the same time, we can also use the conditional format to highlight the checkboxes which are checked or unchecked. Select the range of cells, go to conditional formatting, go to manage rules and click new rule, go to format only cells that contain and cell value is equal to true. Click on format. Under font tab, go to color and choose green color for checkboxes which are checked. Click OK, click OK. Add new rule. Go to format only cells that contain cell value is equal to false. False means the checkboxes which are not checked. Go to format, go to font tab, under color, choose red color, click OK, and OK. Wherever you checked, that box will be green. Wherever the checkbox is unchecked, that will turn into red. So this is how we can create a beautiful attendance tracker. Before getting to the second scenario, I request you to please like the video, leave your thoughts in the comment section. Please subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Let's continue. So I want to highlight the sales above or equal to 1500 with green color, or the sales which are less than 1500 need to highlight with red color. So for this, I have already inserted two checkboxes here. Let's use the conditional format. Select the range of sales values that we wanted to highlight. Go to conditional formatting, manage rules, new rule. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Under the formula box equals to and open bracket H2, the cell where we have the checkbox equals to true, comma, and the sales value. I am going to make it a relative reference of the row by pressing F4, greater than or equal to 1500, close bracket, go to format, go to fill color and choose green color, click OK, and click OK. When you check this box, all values greater than or equal to 1500 will be highlighted within the green color. And when you uncheck, the conditional formatting will be removed. At the same time, select the range of the cells, go to conditional formatting, manage rules, add another rule, select, use a formula to determine which cells to format equals to and open bracket, select the H3 cell where we have the checkbox equals to true, comma, and the sales value, going to press F4 to make it relative reference of the row is less than 1500, close bracket, go to format and choose a color, click OK, and click OK. When you check this box, all values which are less than 1500 will be highlighted. The same time, when you check this box, all values greater than or equal to 1500 will be highlighted with the green color. In this scenario, when I click the checkbox, a target line should be added to the chart, or else the target line should be removed. To add this functionality, I need to add a formula here equals to if J2, comma. Anyway, this J2 cell is going to update whether true or false, right? I don't have to use whether equals to true or false. I can simply use J2 and press F4 to make it absolute reference, comma, target multiplied by J2 cell, press F4 to make it absolute reference, comma, use NA which returns an error close bracket, hit enter. Drag down. Right now this target line column is updated with #NA error, but don't worry, when I check this box, this line will be updated with the target value. When I use multiplied by J2 cell, Excel treats true as 1 and false as 0. C2 value multiplied by J2 means C2 value multiplied by 1, which returns the same value. When I uncheck this by C2 multiplied by 0, which returns 0, but I don't want 0 here, I want #NA. Check this box, copy the target column, select the chart and paste over it. This target line column also will be added into the chart. Now right click on the bars and go to change series chart type. Here the target line change to line chart and make it secondary axis. Click OK. Now when you check this one, this target line will be added here, and when you uncheck, a target line will be disappear. At the same time, select the #NA, go to conditional format, manage rules, click on new rule, select format only cells that contain. Under cell value box, go to errors, click on format, go to font, go to color and select white color, click OK, click OK, click OK. So whenever there is an error, it will be applied conditional format with white color. So now there is no problem. Check this box, the target line will be added. Uncheck this box, the target line will be taken out. So this is how to use the checkboxes in Excel. Hope you find this tutorial is very helpful, and request you to please like the video and comment down your thoughts in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.